Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming network stability and closing everything. Check you have at least 5 Mbps, switch to wired if possible, and then force close Roblox. Once done, restart your device to clear transient locks and make sure Roblox and your operating system are updated. You do this because out-of-date components and background glitches cause most abrupt stops. Now, sign back into Roblox and test a simple game. This verifies whether the quick fixes resolve the crash before deeper steps. Next, perform a deeper cleanup and adjust configuration settings to prevent recurring crashes. Clear the Roblox cache and temporary files using disk cleanup or the app's cache folder. Corrupt temp files often trigger stops. Then disable overlays from Discord or graphics software, enable compatibility mode if on an older OS, and run Roblox as administrator to ensure proper permissions. If crashes persist, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall and add Roblox to finish, perform a clean reinstall and verify drivers so you end up with a stable setup. Uninstall Roblox completely, then manually remove leftover folders in app data or the applications folder to avoid residual corruption. Update graphics drivers to the latest vendor release, reboot, and reinstall Roblox from the official installer. If the app still stops, check Event Viewer or crash logs to identify the fault module. Make sure to capture logs and then contact Roblox support with that evidence. This speeds resolution when simple fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.